Very nice and we're so relaxing here. I have electric fan also. So cute.
Hindi ka nang malayo.
Dak-dak. Tapos nakatakas ano. Dumaan doon pag ganun.
Hahabol po ako ngayon.
What I can do is like I speak to my wife. We tend to have, because we drive and say, oh, many people also you have like those kubo for sitting, so what? So simple kubo is not a chair.
Dito ulit kami guys sa farm.
So maybe offense maybe to have a
Monica. We have chicken, duck.
Pakpak. Kahit magala-gala na ano.
this is here, right? This one here, right? Yes. Okay. So we on the way actually, this is something that's cheap and simple, yeah? Something that matches.
This one for
Part 2. Ayun na, nilagyan na nila ng ano. Hindi na ako nakabotas. Ayan. Slipper na guys kasi hindi naman na umulan. Sobrang gaan talaga oh. Sarap maligo. Ay, nakasabit na yung solar nila. Yan.
Maybe the one you see
Malakas yung solar nyo kagabi.
Opo ma'am.
Oh.
CR, comfort room. Lakas po. Naabot ng umaga po dito.
Oh?
Dito ko po muna nilagay. Mamaya ko po ilalagay doon.
Oh.
Putulan ko na lang pong pakpak. Papagalain ko po yun.
Oo.
Ma'am, may isda pa po pala doon. Di pa po naluto. Mamaya na lang.
Yeah, pwede rin.
Ang dami po pong ulam pa po.
Oo. Kaya magprito rin tayo. May ay, ano doon oh, ang tawag manok. Manok din yun oh.
Baba.
Buti pa si Monica oh. Relax na relax ah. Naka electric fan pa oh.
Sakit na naman ang ipin ko guys.
my CR. I report the CMS.
Dun si Bernard. Bumili kami ng mga another 3 fruits. Ayan. Ito, ang tawag ng durian. Ito yung durian. Grafted. Ha? Durian. O, durian. Tapos pomelo. Yung ito? Marang. Ito marang. Oo, parang pakak. Ito durian. Ay! Ano to ate eh? Ang tawag fruit. Ay, star apple. Ito star apple ata to. Siya nga. Kasi iba yung dahon niya eh. Oo nga, star apple. May guava din, dalawa. Magkaiba yung variety. Oo. Red and big guava. Yung ano niya, bunga niya. Tignan natin yung ating ducks. May tali na. Yan na. Mamaya puputulan yung pakpak para ano. Here at Daduyan. Nagtatanim yung
Kita ng manok yan.
tatlo doon.
Tukain niya yan.
So nice. Ayun niya.
Tapos ako pagkikita manok.
Naulanan kasi eh. Oh, taga-bundok yan.
Papunta lang ng patag.
Napunta ng patag. Eh, nandito ka rin naman na sa bundok.
Bumalik na lang sa bundok.
Mm.
May anak na ulit. Nanganak na.
It's a baby. Bakit nakatago?
Nanganak na siya. Pero pag lumayo ako, tcharan! It's a prank!
Come on, it's a prank.
Hello! Luisa! Ay, ang sungit mo na, Marge.
Magiging girlfriend ni Jasper. Paglaki.
First crush.
My baby is a baby boy. This one is a baby girl. Tapos nagtagpo pala sila, no?
Ay, may lupa ka na!
Nagtagpo na. Mag-ano na kami, no? Ni ate, no? Ulan. Dun si Bernard. Wala, basta na si Glenn.
The dog also want to live here. The chicken also want to live here.
Oh, ala.
See, the chicken.
No, the duck go in there. Huh? Dog don't like ah? Oh.
Hello, dog.
Oh,
From where?
don't like. He's, huh? Saan yung ano niya? Saan siya dumadaan?
Hindi na po ata siya naalis dito.
Hindi ko nakitain kanina. Nakasara nga yung ano doon, yung gate.
Baka po lumusot sa butas.
Oh, see your duck love.
Looking at home. You know, she won't fly.
Maybe.
Hello guys! You're back again and again. Not yet cooked. Later we're gonna put the condiments so it will have a taste already. This is gonna need to boil. Okay, bye-bye.
See the dog, come here to think not the chicken. That's why it's
Huh?
he run away.
Really? Oh.
See, that's why his head, one wound there.
Oh. So pity ah. No wonder he's coming here every day.
Kind of victim, I think.
Oh.
Someone take a stick or one and whack his head.
Maybe the kids na.
You see, somebody pop. That's why he run. Yes, sir. That's why he come here. That's why he want to go home. Huh? Somebody pop.
We have pineapple here.
So
And
yeah, wow.
santol. But the santol is so sour. So right now I'm just relaxing here, lying down, and also very windy. So it's so nice. My baby just was kicking me. Yeah, ching, ching, ching.